This is the brain exercise that we learned, the first brain exercise at the Taiko workshop last week. So if you've all played rock, paper, scissors, it's kind of based on that. And for those of you who haven't done any of these brain games exercises, the whole idea is that you have to cross parts. So your hands are doing two different things, or you're crossing from right side to left side. That way you're activating both hemispheres. Because if you're doing one side, you're just using the same hemisphere. Alright, so first one. So I think it was rock out, paper into the chest. And then you just switch. And you go slow, and you eventually increase the tempo. Boom, 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 boom. Do that for a while. The next stage was scissors in, paper out. This one was a bit harder. So, paper. Okay, so paper, 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 paper. Yeah, it's want to have two scissors happening. So, but you don't really want to. If that makes sense. Okay. Okay, and then I think the third round was scissors out, rock in, so that you've got all three permutations. So boom, 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 boom. Now there was another stage on top of that where you activate the rest of your body and you're on the floor, but if you want to learn that one, take the Taiko workshop. It's really awesome. So have fun with that, and like I did with the first round there, start slow, increasingly get fast. When is it good to do this? When you first wake up, before you practice your instrument, before a test. That way you've got your brain all wired, ready to go, nice and awake. So happy stretching and brain gaming.